Data type conversions are two types. One is implicit data type conversion, explicit data type conversion. Implicit data type conversions work according to the rules like in some cases Oracle server receives the data for one data type which is expects that data of the different data types. So when this happens, the Oracle server can automatically convert the data into the expected data type. This data type conversion can be done implicitly by Oracle server or explicitly by the user. So whatever Oracle server do here is the implicit data conversion, data type conversion, and whatever user do it normally to make it available is explicit. That's the difference between implicit and the explicit. Let's see how we can work with those things. Oracle server can automatically convert these things automatically. Here you can see char to number. It can convert number to vice versa. These things can automatically be converted by the Oracle server itself. Let's see usage of these things, how we can work with this explicit data type conversions and implicit. So let's see using toChar functions with dates. toChar function using dates, we have set of rules, that is must be with single quotation marks. Next, it's a case sensitive. Let's try some of the functions. So here we will use So we can see here we are selecting employee ID and we are converting 2char of hire date into months and year format. That means we are just out of hire date which will be having the timestamp, we are converting it look like an only month and year. That means which month and which year that particular employee joined, that hired, that particular employee got hired. That's what we are trying to do. So if I remove the filter, you can see here all the employee details displaying in that format with the employee IDs. If you want to project with first name also, you can project here. So first underscore name. And if you want to add some salaries, you can add that also. This is how we can make use of each and every employee converted with 2char. Here giving it as 2char, like we are trying to find out originally how the hire date looks, I'll show you here. So here I'll just make this one as can see here it is just taking out the month and year from the hire date, originally how it looks. Okay, let us try with some other conversions. Within the same format, we'll try to add some other formats. So here I just want to project only the year when that particular employee got hired. If I provide 4 Ys, it will give me complete year. Before it is showing with 0806 year, now it is showing with 2008, 2003 like that. What is the difference is we provided with all Ys here. Okay. Let me give it as year, complete spelling year. Let's see how it will give us output. 2008, 2003. Okay, and next I am going to change this one to MM. That means only month will project. Which month that particular employee joined that organization. It is not going to show you the year because we removed the year. Now adding with that month, if I add slash YYY, month as well as the year. Now if I add here you can see the difference. Month which it is showing you descriptive, even it is Jan by default, it is going to show you January, February, March, April, May, June, like that it is going to show you the output. Suppose if I want to add all the dates as well as month, everything, I'll do like this, date slash month slash year. So it will be as an output, like when we are looking here, we can see here what are the months and which date, and that month by default it looks like this. You can see higher date how exactly it looks by default, but we are projecting it to be using an conversion function to char. We are converting this format higher date look like this in real time. You can see here this month June is converted into June. Even here it shows with only 05. Here once you provide 4 wise, it will show you complete year 2005, 2006, like that. Okay. Now we can make use of other functions also. Let's give here day, which will show you which day it is, Friday or Monday or Sunday. Let me add it like it's a Sunday, 13 January 2008. It's a Tuesday, 14 June 2005. Like this, that particular date also, which day actually it is Monday or Tuesday or Friday, that one also we are going to project it into the output by this way. Okay. And you can make it as display something like this. Let's see, let's make a change here. The output like which we were seeing complete day, right? That one we are showing with 3 letters, Sunday. That means here I will change it as just dy. You can see here Sunday, Wednesday, everything displays like this. Okay. This is how we can make use of date format models, different date format models, which we can use it with 2 char functions. And next we are going to make use two char functions with dates. How we are going to make use in real time, we will see. Okay. For that I am connecting to OE schema, which is having another set of data auto entry. So here I will type select you can see here data folder I want to display like this. So I am displaying here from which date, which month and which year, data folder. So here we provided 2 char function, that is date, month and year I am going to display here. And the next I will try with another format. These are some minutes, seconds and AM, PM formats I am showing here. You can see here date of order 27th of June 2008 at what time, AM or PM, also it is going to display here. This is how we can make the data which is available from the database using a 2-char conversion function. Whatever the date format we are having there, that date format we can convert it look like as per the customer required date format, how actually he is trying to make the data visual for him from the database level using this SQL. So, next we will try with some other examples. We will use 2-char functions with numbers. We are connecting HR schema here. So, these are the data available with the query which we are typing. From employees where hire date less than to date 2 underscore date, from where employees hire date is less than 13 January 2008. Who are the employees joined before that is 97 records, it is filtering. Let us try with greater than, you can see the change. We can create one more output using this collage function. That one is so here we are adding salary plus commission. So, commission percentage and next new salary we are projecting here like this. So, we are adding salary plus 2000 as a new salary. So, every salary we are getting added with 2000 and we are projecting it as a new salary for the employees. This is how we can make use of that functions. Next we are going to use case expression function. Okay. So, case expression is that we will be writing a case expression when condition and then return an expression else end. That is how we are going to frame a case expression. For this we are going to take one example here. last underscore name we need to type, not the last underscore salary. So this is how we can make use of giving the tax rate for each and employee on the salary base. Okay. So now till this sessions, like we have learned about different functions, how we can make use of functions, making the data availability using the functions. So here we have so many examples we have gone through. So and we learned like how we can make use of different functions, using the functions how we can make the data availability for the customers from HR and OE. We have done with so many examples. Thank you.